G'day everyone, David from Explore Oz again. Today's app tip, version 9.3 My Notes filter. So, not sure how many of you use the note system. We use it fairly extensively. If I go into the content menu and have a look at our list of all of these places, one of the things that you may or may not notice is that this little place has a green feedback symbol on it. Now the green feedback symbol means that there's been a personal note added to that. If you don't know what a personal note is, I'll just go in here and I'll basically scroll down and show you. Personal notes are a little area that allows you to go into any public content record and add some notes of whatever you might want to add to it. Maybe a recommendation that someone said, go and stay there, it's a really good place, or you may want to put booking numbers or dates in it like I have in this one, if you're creating a folder maybe with a route list of all the places that you want to go. So you may use the notes to put all the dates that you've got planned bookings or something like that. One of the things that I mentioned is we put these in a folder, so quite often when you put a note in, you might add it to a bucket list destinations for Tasmania or something like that, a folder that you might create to hold all of that. One of the things we've done in this update is to improve the ability or the way that you can see all of the places, treks and track logs that have got notes in them. So what I was mentioning before was a filter. So if we go back into our filters icon up here, excuse me, you'll see now in our predefined filters here, we've got a new one called My Notes. And so if I tap on that, the system will now reduce the list of all of the places that are in the system to only places that have My Notes or my personal notes in them. So you'll see that we've got 216 of them, and they are varying notes of different things, some administrative notes or other notes about bookings and timeframes and recommendations that we've received from others. So it's a quick and easy way for you to find all of the places that you have added notes to, even if they're not in a folder. You could then obviously come along and add them to folders or not. Using obviously this level of folder system filter, you can actually do it obviously on the map screen as well. If we go into the map layers icon, we click on the filter for places and you'll see My Notes here. You'll see the one that we're at right now, which we mentioned in the earlier thing that had the note in it. One of the other ways to see a My Note, if you've never used the note system, is the little green icon is showing in the little place pop-up like that. So that's the way that you'll know that a place has notes in it. So hopefully that helps you understand a bit more about the My Notes filter that we've added in version 9.3.